Hey, seniors, in Mr. Z's class and in my class. It's Miss Tinty here, your old teacher. Mr. Z and I took a look at the assignment that you completed for us on Tuesday. Ouch! Did not go well. Looks like we need a little grammar review to kick off the year. And yes, you will be doing grammar assignments for us this year. Because one thing I know to be true, when I talk to students who have graduated, they say, Miss, I wish I would have learned more grammar, and Miss, I wish I would have learned more about vocabulary words, prefixes, and suffixes. So you will be doing some of this work with us this year. The assignment that we gave you on Tuesday was just a simple, is it a sentence or is it a fragment assignment? But it didn't go well. And I think that's because we had kind of a hard idea or a hard time with the idea of what is a complete thought. And so I'm going to go over that with you quickly, and then you are going to be working on another assignment that Mr. Z is making where you can practice this work again. So my question for you, and my board is a little wonky here, but it says, what is a complete sentence? Well, a complete sentence expresses an idea and includes a subject and a predicate. So when I say it is an entire idea, it means it's got to have a subject, it's got to have something about the sentence is about, and it has to have a predicate, something that the subject is doing. So a complete sentence would be something like, she lives in St. Paul. She is the subject, and where she lives, that she lives in St. Paul, is the predicate. It's a complete idea. Here's another example, one I see in your writing a lot. We love soccer. The subject is we. The thing that we're doing is loving soccer. You can come up with a variety of sentences that express a complete thought. But when your sentence is missing part of it, it leaves us hanging like, you didn't finish your idea. You didn't finish your idea. So these sentences finish an idea. They express a complete sentence, a complete thought. Okay? But fragments are no good. Fragments do not express a complete thought. They're a partial sentence. They're missing something. So, does not express a complete thought. It's missing a subject or it's missing a predicate. Here's an example. Went to the store. Just because it has a capital letter and a period does not make it a sentence. Went to the store. Who went to the store? There's no subject of the sentence. Who went to the store? This would be called a fragment because it's missing something, okay? Then I wrote, Miss Tinty is. Miss Tinty is what? It's not completing the thought. It doesn't have a predicate. Miss Tinty is what? Miss Tinty is nice. Miss Tinty is mean. Miss Tinty is old. All of these are true, maybe, but this is not a complete thought. So this would be a fragment. Okay, so think about this again. What is a complete sentence? A sentence expresses a complete idea. It includes the subject, who or what the sentence is about. It includes the predicate, what the subject is or what it does. She lives in St. Paul. Complete sentence. We love soccer. Complete sentence. We hate distance learning. Complete sentence. Went to the store. That's a fragment. It does not express a complete thought or a complete idea. So, went to the store. Miss Tinty is. These are examples of fragments. Now you can go back to your assignment that you did on Tuesday and you can make some corrections. If the sentence or if it was marked a fragment, you can turn it into a complete sentence by making sure it has a subject or a predicate, whatever it's missing. So we would like you to fix your work from Tuesday, and then Mr. Z is posting an assignment for you to do to practice this. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us. Bye!